All right, so we're going to replace a battery terminal for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner limited edition. There's kind of two parts on here. These will wear out, and as you notice here, this is a 10 millimeter, and this one is a 12. And what we're going to do is we're going to replace it with this replacement. I'm not quite sure if it's OEM, but I'll link it in the description below. And these, you're not going to have to cut anything off. You're going to have to take it off of your post and then put the metal bracket on here. So I'll walk you through it. We're going to go ahead and take the 12 off. I'll show you. Got it? Mm-hmm. All right, so we're going to go ahead and remove this portion. And what you'll notice after you take the 12 millimeter off is that there's going to be this top portion, this uncorroded portion right here. Remember, it's going to go like this. We're going to go ahead and remove this old portion out, put this new portion in. But before putting on here, we're going to go ahead and get everything connected. And from the battery terminal, this one goes on the bottom, this one goes on top. We're going to hand thread this, and we will get it tight here in a second. And we're going to do this top portion, get this cinched down. The 12, we're going to do this portion with the 10. So you notice the old one versus the new one. This is a 5-minute replacement. This top portion nut was the toughest. So we have a good sign right here that everything's powered up. And that's a real quick minute fix.